Use of can. Can is a modal verb in English that is used to express various meanings related to ability, permission, request, and possibilities. Here are the primary ways can is used in English. Ability. Can is used to talk about someone's ability to do something. For example, she can speak English fluently. I can swim very well. He can solve anything. Permission. Can is used to ask for permission or to grant permission. For example, can I borrow your car for a few hours? You can use my laptop if you need it. Can we go out for dinner tonight? Request. Can is used to make request or ask someone to do something. Can you pass me the salt please? Can you help me with this assignment? Can you please turn off the lights? Possibility. Can is used to talk about what is possible or likely. For example, it can rain later today. This plan can work if we all cooperate. Can you imagine living in a different country? Expressions of surprise. Can be used to express surprise or disbelief. For example, I can't believe you did that. You can't be serious. She can't have finished already. Prohibition. Can be used to express that something is not allowed. You can't smoke in this area. You can park here. Students can use calculators during the exam. Here are the 40 simple examples of how to use can in English. I can swim. Can you speak English? She can play the piano. We can go shopping tomorrow. Can they come to the party? He can lift heavy weights. Can I borrow your pen? They can cook delicious meals. She can run very fast. Can you help me with my homework? I can't believe it. Can we take a break? He can drive a car. Can she sing well? They can't stay long. I can't find my keys. Can you pass me the salt? She can't dance beautifully. Can we meet at the cafe? Can they fix the computer? I can't wait to see you. Can you give me a ride? He can solve math problems quickly. She can't make it to the meeting. Can I have a glass of water? They can speak multiple languages. I can play soccer with you. Can you lend me some money? She can bake delicious cakes. We can watch a movie tonight. Can they come over for dinner? He can't attend the event. Can you explain that again? She can draw amazing pictures. I can't stay for long. Can we visit the museum? They can ride bicycles. I can hear you perfectly. Can you send me the document? She can't make decisions easily.